Hi everyone, welcome to Divyasree Techies. I am Divyasree. I am here to teach about English words. Are you ready? Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to Divyasree Techies and comment and share. Thank you so much for watching.